Another Real Talk exclusive for the 10th Nation Builders and Muslim Awards here in Okada, Manila, Philippines. And we're lucky to have one of the sponsors for this year's event. Alam nyo, kilala nyo na to, especially if you're a male, going to a restroom sa mga, I believe, hotel, malls, nakikita na natin. We have the General Manager of Falcon Water Free Philippines. We have Ma'am Margarita Pablo. Hello.
Yes, hello, good evening.
And so you're the maker of this male urine, tama ba?
As a waterless urinal system.
Yeah. So it's really more on the sustainability because you're not really using water. Is this patented, yung technology?
Yes, yes, it is. And we are proud to say that each urinal saves 150,000 liters per year per urinal.
And how long does this urinal last naman?
It has a system, yung tinatawag namin cartridge. So it lasts up to 3 to 4 months before you need to replace it.
Okay. So hindi siya basta ganun lang. Meron talagang system. And that system is the one patented para maging water-free siya.
Yes, and it also prevents the odor. Kasi alam ko yun ang pinaka-concern
Exactly,
Waterless, so baka may odor yan. So we are proud na with our system, it's odorless system because of the waterless urinal cartridge.
Wow. And I'm seeing a lot of that across the country. So far, gano'n na ba katagal yung Falcon Water Free? And can you give us siguro some numbers kung gaano karami na ang na-distribute natin dito sa Pilipinas?
More than 100,000 na kasi. And we've been in the Philippines since 2004. So we cater to different industries like the government and then we have the private sectors. So we have helped them comply with the Clean Water Act and the green building standards.
And maybe that's the reason why how it all started because of this regulation.
Yes, yes.
So, invite everyone so that they can avail of your products and saan ba sila pwede makontak at ano ba pwede ba nating sabi nga mga advocacies din na ginagawa ng Falcon Waterless Philippines.
Okay, if you want to know about our product, you may reach us through our Facebook account. That's Falcon Water Free Urinal Philippines. And you can call us through 847-76036 or through 0928-521-6605. So our office is located in Mandaluyong. But we're open to visit each facility to present our system.
Thank you very much for your time, Ms. Margaret.
Thank you so much.
And this is Leo once again for the 10th Nation Builders and Muslim Awards in Okada, Manila.